Hey, what's up guys? For those of you that are new to the channel, my name is Hunter, and this video I'm going to be talking about Parker Nirenstein from Vehicle Virgins and all the new cars that he just bought, including something else. So recently he just went on a big shopping spree, as you probably all know because you clicked on this video. But he bought a Ferrari, a Lamborghini, a new Royce, and I found out this morning that he actually bought a new house. So he hasn't made a new video on that yet, and we'll see who posts their video first, me or him, but he actually did buy another house, so he's gone on a massive spending spree. So a lot of people are wondering how much money he's actually worth. So in this video I'm going to be talking about breaking down all the sources of income that he has and trying to figure out how much he's worth. So the most obvious source of income he has is through YouTube. The way that people make money through YouTube is number one, ad revenue. So on average, ad revenue can make you $1 to $5 per 1,000 views. So I did the average at about $3 per 1,000 is what I calculated for him, because it is a car channel. So it does have better CPM than other channels might, but it's not the best. So he does have a total of 430 million views right now. So that would mean that he has made about $1.3 million off of ad revenue alone. So his next largest source of income would probably be his website. So his website is currently Like Gravity, and he does stuff on there such as post free photos and posters and car content, and you can access his videos a day before, and a lot of other features. I think there's forums. And anyways, his website costs $250 a month to join, and one of the perks of joining his website is he has done car giveaways in the past. I think his last car was a BMW, and you just have to be subscribed to his website and you have a chance to win it. So at $250 a month, there are a lot of people who I would assume would sign up for his subscription, because you do have the chance to win that car. So I did about 3% of his subscribers might subscribe to his website as well. So that would be, of his 1.8 million subscribers, 3% of that would be 54,000 people, and 54,000 people times $250 a month, $135,000 a month, which equals $1.62 million a year. The best that I can find is it's only been available for a year, but I'm not sure if his website has gone longer, so I just capped it right there at about he's made 1.5 million off of just his website. So one of the largest sources of income for YouTubers other than their ad revenue is through their merch sales. So Parker has had merch sales for a few years now, a lot longer than he's had his website as far as I can tell, and he does sell merch on his website now, and he has sold it on other websites in the past before he has this website. So I did an average of about 3% of his subscribers have purchased merch from him. 3% again would be 54,000 people out of his 1.8 million. And I said on average that each sale he's making about $15 profit, so $54,000 times 15 would be a total of $810,000. And he has had his website for a lot longer than 1 year, so I multiplied that by 2 to make it 1.6 million, because he's had it longer than 2 years. But I'm sure he did not make that amount of sales prior to those 2 years, because it's only been about that amount of time that he's blown up recently. So another way that YouTubers make their income is through affiliate marketing and brand deals. So Parker does do a few of these. I know one of them that he does is his watches that he advertises for, and I know that he's done this for a while now. So I said on average maybe he'll make $10,000 to $20,000 a video that he does this. And because of the company either A, paying him for it, and B, the affiliate links for every sale that every purchase that people make through his sales link, he'll make a percentage of that. So he's had over 1,000 videos, and not all of those have had brand deals, but he does do deals. So I'm just guessing about over those 1,000 videos, he's maybe made $750,000 off of affiliate links and brand deals. So those are just some of the ways that I thought that he came up with income. I'm sure he has some other ways. I'm sure he's invested his money in different ways, because he does seem kind of smart. Before YouTube, he went to school for engineering, and he went to Michigan, and I think he completed his degree there, and he never really used it because he went straight to YouTube. But he does seem pretty smart, so I'm sure he's invested his money in other ways besides this, so he probably has more money than just what he's made. But in total, between all of those, that means his total income would have been 5.15 million, so about $5 million, which is pretty solid for a YouTuber with about 2 million subscribers, 1.8 million subscribers. So to sort of justify those numbers, I'm going to kind of go over the purchases of the assets that he does have. So recently he bought a Rolls Royce, I'm guessing that's about $100,000, it's an old one. Ferrari, which was about $700,000. McLaren 600 LT, that's about $365,000. Lamborghini Aventador SVJ, I said that's about $600,000. A Lamborghini Huracan he already had, about $220,000. His E63, 100K, and I'm just kind of guessing on all those numbers because I didn't want to do the research of exactly how much he paid. And then he does like his watches as well, so I know he did a video on buying his Audemars Piguet AP for $40,000, I think it was about. So in total those assets would be $2.135 million, and those are just hard assets that he's shown in his videos. And like I said, he just posted a video or a photo on Instagram claiming that he bought a new home, and I'm estimating that the home could be anywhere from like 1 to 3 million, just because of like his previous house, which he'd rented, but now he said that he did purchase this home, so this one he does own. So in total, the 2.135 million from cars and watches, plus the 1 to 3 million for his home. I'm not sure exactly how much his home is, but you can guess the home plus his other assets, because he has cash too, and his other investments could be about the total of about $5 million, which would make sense from what I described earlier in the video of him earning about $5 million. And I'm kind of putting that at the low end of his net worth. If you guys like this video, please subscribe. I'm going to try to make a lot more videos like this. I do car videos right now, and I might be doing videos on other YouTubers like this in the future if you guys want it. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If I got something wrong in this video, leave it below so I can correct it. But anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and bye.
Whoa.